Yeah,
Order
let's go.
filled.
I'm gonna give it a shot. So I got filled at 77s. Damn. Not the best fill, I'm gonna say. 960s. So stop below here. And then I'll be targeting 2010s, which will be up here. Let me go ahead and set up some alerts. Alright, I would like to see NQ close above this down close candle. And then this can be used as a bullish order block if we close above it. We can move our stop below these lows now, or just to break even as well. Wait, what? We took the side out on MNQ? Huh? Am I tripping? Wait. Hold on. What is going on? That's fine, my PT's up here. So on MNQ here, we took out this high, but on NQ we didn't. Don't like that too much, honestly. But I'm just gonna hold for my PT, so don't really matter to me. Oops, did not mean to do that. I'm gonna move my stop below this low. Literally below this low. Because we should literally go here. If we don't go here, then we most likely gonna come back for these lows here. And then maybe go. You know, I'm gonna leave my stop at break even. Alright, can we go here now? Nice little break there.
Order filled.
Alright. I'm gonna take some off here.
Order filled.
Move this higher, put this down here.
Order filled.
Beautiful trade, guys. And we called out this auto block before it even formed, so should I leave runners though? We got this hourly for rally gap. I think we can leave a runner to like 26s. Let's see. I'm just gonna trail my stop loss and let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Take off another here.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't like that rejection at all. Second.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Wow, what a move there. Nice.
Order filled.
I mean, really nice start to the day, guys. I'm gonna take it off
Order
here because
filled.
we're rejecting the 1 hour for rally gap. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's how we do it. And I also took this same setup on this eval that I bought today, and we made 25.36. And I'm just gonna leave one runner. Most likely it's gonna get stopped here, but yeah, I mean, that's how I do it, man. What? Really nice turn.
Order filled.